Hi there, students. A cog. A cog. And I think probably the idiom as well, a cog in the machine. Or a cog in the wheel. Yeah? A small cog in a large machine. Okay, a cog is a wheel with teeth going backwards and forwards. If you've got an old-fashioned watch, an old-fashioned one, not one of these modern electronic ones, but an old one, if you open it up and look inside, it's full of different cogs, and you wind it up, and the cogs regulate how fast it moves. If you look inside an old-fashioned clock, yeah, it's full of cogs, yeah? So, a cog, it's a wheel with little teeth all around the edge, yeah, and you use cogs to make a small movement into a big movement. You use it for gears. You can use it to change a circular motion for a horizontal motion. Yeah, so a cog or a cog wheel. Yeah, it's a wheel with little teeth or cogs round its edge, and these are used to turn another wheel or to turn a part of a machine. If you look at in the gearbox in your car, yeah, the gears, these are different sized cogs. Yeah. Now, a cog in the machine, this is a very common idiom. We say somebody's a cog in the machine, meaning that they're just a small member of a large organization. They're an insignificant member of a system. So I guess we are all cogs in the wheel of our society. Yeah? Okay, the soldiers who had to go and fight in the war, they were just a cog in the war machine. Okay, so a cog in the machine. If you go to a city and you see all of the people going to work in the morning on the underground, yeah, these are people are cogs in the wheel of business, cogs in the machine of business. Yeah. Okay, so they are small pieces that make the whole thing work. Yeah. So the family, there are different cogs for the interaction of a family. Maybe they're the grandparents and the parents and the children and the uncles and the cousins, and these are all cogs. Yeah, they are subordinate members of the organization. The organization is the family who perform necessary but different functions, usually minor routine functions, and this is the idea of a cog. So yeah, I'm just a cog in the system. Yeah, I'm an individual in a much greater system. Yeah, I do my part, but the part that I do is only one little bit, and there are many different cogs and many different wheels doing different things and moving different things in different directions. Yeah, so this cog, it's got square or triangular teeth on the edge which turn another wheel. Yeah, and this is metaphorically talking about a person playing a small part in a process in an organization. Okay, now what about origin? Well, clearly this word cog probably comes from Scandinavian. We've got two cognates. You can also use cog as an abbreviation of cognate. Kugga in Swedish and kugg in Norwegian, and these are clearly cognates or cogs of the word cog. And then as to formality, I think I'm going to give this word a 5 in formality. I think use absolutely anywhere. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Cog.